Up next, a baby sport bike. Check out this black and red 2015 YZF-R3 from Yamaha. The little baby brother to the R6 and the R1, which have both won a ridiculous number of races. This particular specimen, right under 15,000 miles as of this moment. This bike features a 320cc parallel twin engine and a 6-speed transmission. Also, aftermarket exhaust, Kaufman's exhaust systems. At least the slip-on part. What a great bike to learn how to ride sport bikes on. Personally, I'm too old for it, but I'm not everybody. Bike is also available for test rides 7 days a week at a place where you wouldn't think you'd find a sport bike, North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.